Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the headlight area is clear and you've got a 10 mm socket, flat pick, and pliers. Once done, expose the top clip by removing the small retaining screw. This relieves tension. You use the flat pick to lift the outer edge of the clip while steadying the housing with your other hand. Make sure to keep fingers away from spring points because clips can snap and damage the lens. You now work the middle steps. Depress the clip tab and push it toward the housing to disengage the latch. Once the tab clears, use needle nose pliers to grab the clip base and pull it straight out to prevent deforming the slot. Continue sequentially, top, sides, then bottom, so the housing doesn't bind or twist. Make sure to keep even pressure and small motions. Forcing the clip risks snapping plastic clips or bending the mounting point. You finish by inspecting each clip slot and replacing any damaged clips with OEM-style parts or metal retainers for strength. Once aligned, push each clip fully into its slot until it clicks, then hand tighten the retaining screws and add a quarter turn. Do not over-torque. If the headlight sits crooked, loosen screws, realign the housing so gaps are even, then red-iron. If a clip won't release, stop and try lubricating with penetrating spray.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.